What's up YouTube? So aduna kitay ko unit 161 Hyundai tucson. Atong giadto karon actually. And then nasuta na to ang sakyanan is meron siyang problema sa kanyang gearbox, like the gear selector, like one of the teeth of the gear selector is have the problem with the teeth, because sometimes you engage, it will engage, and sometimes it won't. So that means the gearbox selector is bad. So I am offering him, like we need to replace the gearbox, the whole gearbox itself, if he can find a second-hand gearbox, or worst case scenario, if he doesn't find a second-hand gearbox, then we're gonna have to like remove the gearbox all along, and then we have to like recondition the gearbox itself, and then we're gonna put like a gearbox selector in it. That's the worst case scenario, because it will the reason why, one of the reason why it has the gearbox issue, because the gearbox oil is low, or could be like low oil on it, or dirty gearbox oil. That's why there is a wear and tear on the gearbox teeth on the other hand. So inabisuhan natin siya na maghanap ng gearbox, which is the worst case scenario, as I say, that kung wala siyang mahanap na gearbox, then we might have to recondition the gearbox, or we need to change the gearbox selector. Yun ang worst case scenario, guys, if wala mahanap. So ang gearbox oil kasi serviceable din kasi ito. So 3-4 years, 3-5 years, like have to change the gear oil. Or if it is your car has the automatic transmission, then it's also part of serviceable. Like you need to change the gear oil itself, or the gearbox oil, because in the long run, obviously the gearbox have the filings, no? The teeth is like that, and there have sometimes it will develop like filings, like wear and tear will develop, especially when the gear oil is very low. Then that's also the cause of the early wear and tear of the gears inside the gearbox itself. So it's very important, guys, if you have a car like mga bagong modelo na mga sasakyan, it's very important to look after on it, because modern cars, they are on like commercialized, no? They are not like designed to be like rugged, or like unlike the previous model, that they are designed to be like rugged or whatever. Their longevity of the spare parts. So earlier newest model, or latest model, obviously they are highly commercialized. The reason for that is, some car manufacturers they design to be like that, because in order to have the like milking cow, that it's called milking cow, because if there is no supply and demand, then obviously the motor parts will go down as well, like collapse, due to there is no supply and demand. So parts all the vehicle or engine parts, they set up some kind of lifespan actually. Lifespan, that is called lifespan. So very important guys to look after your car or look after your engine and the gearbox and whatever, etc. etc. Kasi yan ko na ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na matagal na, like you need if you do not know the history of the car, like kung kabibili nyo lang ng sasakyan, dapat ipaservice niyo kaagad. Mas maganda pagka may hinahawakan kayo na history, like from on your own side, like para magkaroon kayo ng confident na to run the car, like especially when the car is always like running long distance. So mas maganda na yung meron kayong pinaghahawakan na history the car, kaysa umaasa lang kayo sa paper or fully details that it was serviced long time and this like that. So like it's your words against his words. So it's not really like yeah. So as I said, as I mentioned, it has to have good like foundation. Okay, so that's the thing. If you have car, it's a brand new car, whatever car you have, if it is under warranty, we cannot touch a vehicle that is under warranty, guys, because you know, if galawin natin yung under warranty, it might is not reasonable, no? So we only allow to do car servicing if the particular car warranty has expired. And that's the time that we have to touch it, no? Or service your car when there is no warranty. But again, if your car is having a warranty, so I couldn't do anything about that if your car has a warranty, because it's, you know, it's a worst case scenario, like if there is a spare part that is going to broken or like collapse or whatever, so it cannot be like replaced anymore, or it doesn't cover anymore because ginalaw na yung sasakyan. So mas maganda na yung malaman natin na walang warranty na yung car, or warranty is expired, and then that's the time that I can touch or do whatever it is on your car if once the warranty expires. Okay, so if the warranty is not expired, so I couldn't do anything, so we'll have to wait until the warranty expires. Okay, so thank you guys, and that's it. Look after your cars, like message me on Facebook or text and call maybe, or like comment on our Facebook, YouTube channel, PP2 Motorworks, and then I gonna come to you and deliver the job order that you want. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, and bye bye. God bless.